Today we will be talking about the differences between complementary and substitute goods in a free market. This presentation is brought to you by Jackson Helland, Jacob Sharesky, Wyatt Hybe, Zach Quam, and Preston Moss. This is made for Utah State University. In an economy, numerous goods and services are exchanged by people with differing tastes and preferences. However, some goods are related to each other in a way that when people buy one or two different goods, they are more likely or less likely to buy the other good based on their relation. In some cases, these goods can be classified as either complementary goods or substitute goods. Let's first take a look at complementary goods.
So what are complementary goods? In economic terms, complementary goods are two goods that when the price for one good decreases, the demand for the other good will increase. How do complementary goods interact with the market? In general, the demand for hot dogs and hot dog buns goes up around the 4th of July, as both are essential parts of many people's 4th of July barbecues. Without hot dogs, there is really no purpose for the hot dog buns. After all, they are called hot dog buns, not sandwich buns. So if the price of hot dogs were to decrease as a part of 4th of July preparation sale, the demand for hot dog buns by consumers would increase dramatically as people are also buying more hot dogs. Hence, a price decrease in one good brought about an increase in demand for another good. Other pairs of goods that are complementary goods would be razors and razor blades, shoes and shoelaces, baseballs and baseball gloves, and many, many more.
Now we will talk about substitute goods. In economic terms, substitute goods are two goods that when the price of one good increases, the demand for the other good will increase. More generally, what can be classified as a substitute good? A substitute good is a good, while often very different, that serves the same purpose as another good. Some examples include frozen yogurt and ice cream, soy milk and cow's milk, ethanol and gasoline, hamburgers and hot dogs, coffee and tea, along with many others. How do substitute goods behave in the marketplace? Let's take, for example, hamburgers and hot dogs. If the price of hot dogs decreases, more people will be driven to purchase hot dogs as there exists now a cheaper option for the two options fulfilling the same purpose. Hence, a decrease in the price for hot dogs leads to a decrease of demand for hamburgers. Similarly, if the price for hot dogs increases, more people will purchase hamburgers as they are the cheaper option compared to hot dogs. The key differences that we see between these two types of goods is how the demand for one is affected by price changes in the other. For a complementary good, we will see an inverse relationship between a price change and a change in demand. Namely, if the price increases for one good, then the demand will decrease for the other good, and vice versa. However, for substitute goods, they have a direct relationship in the sense that a price increase in one good will cause an increase in demand for the other good, and vice versa. Here's where we found our lovely images. If you want to learn more, check out this book. Number and roles. Jackson Helland, scriptwriter and presentation designer.
Wyatt Hybe, complementary goods voiceover and scriptwriter.
Jacob Sharesky, substitute goods, voiceover. Zach Quam, scriptwriter and presentation editor.
Preston Moss, presentation editor and voiceover.